Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this one. In this video tutorial, we will talk about how to install Yeastar P-Series software edition on Proxmox VE using an Ubuntu ISO. First of all, we offer a 30-day trial license for free, with no upfront payment. You can go to our website yeastar.com, click on the free trial button in the top menu. Then choose software-based PBX. Fill in the required information and submit. Then our trial will be approved automatically and will be directed to the Yeastar panel portal. Log in with the email we used to apply for the free trial, and here we are. Through this portal, we can continue to activate the P-Series PBX software edition. Now let's get started. There are two prerequisites. Verify your Proxmox VE version is 7.0 or higher, and download the Ubuntu ISO image for the Yeastar P-Series software edition from the Yeastar official website. Please refer to this table for the details. Step 1. Upload the Yeastar P-Series software edition ISO image to Proxmox VE. Log in to the Proxmox VE web-based management interface. In the left, click the button. Note that by default, local is used to store backups, ISO images, and templates, while local IVM is used to store virtual machine disk images and volume containers. Here select local, then click ISO image, followed by upload. Select the auto ISO image file and click upload. Please wait a few minutes for the upload to complete. Once the upload is finished, the Yeastar P-Series software edition ISO image file will be displayed here. Step 2. Create a virtual machine. Click Create VM, enter a name in the name field to help you identify the virtual machine, and then click Next. On the OS page, click ISO image and select the ISO file you just created. Then click Next. On the System page, keep the default settings and click Next. On the Hard Disk tab, allocate at least 40 gigs under disk size. Then click Next. On the CPU page, refer to the table below to configure the number of sockets and cores based on the PBX system extensions and concurrent costs. Then click Next. On the memory page, refer to the table below and configure the memory based on the number of extensions and concurrent costs. Then click on Next. On the network page, keep the default settings and click Next. On the Confirm page, preview the configuration, then click Finish. You will see that the virtual machine has been successfully created. Step 3. Install the Yeastar P-Series software edition. Select the virtual machine you created, then click Start. Next, select No VNC from the console drop-down list. This will open a new web page displaying the installation process. Then choose Try or Install Ubuntu Server. Wait 5 to 10 minutes until the installation process stops. Create a user account on this page, then click Down. And continue. Choose Reboot Now. When you see the following prompt, press Enter to continue. Wait 5 to 10 minutes until the installation process stops. Then press Enter. If we see PBX login, this means the installation is successful. Next, let's get into the manual installation. Manual installation works for installing the PBX in a dedicated partition of the disk. Choose Try or Install Ubuntu Server and press Enter. In a while, after we see the menu, select Custom Storage Layout and select Down. Let's set it up. Select Free Space, press Enter. Then, in Add GPT, press Enter. In Format, we select Swap. Here we assign 10 gigs of storage space to it. Then click on Create. Now we repeat to the rest of the free space. Press Enter. We assign another 10 gigs to it. And click Create. Now we repeat again. Only this time in Mount, we choose /home, then click Create. Now all devices are created, and we can see the file system summary. Click on Down and Continue. Create a user account on this page, then click Down. When you see the following prompt, press Enter to continue. After a while, we'll see this prompt. Here we press Enter to continue the installation process. When you see the IP PBX login, the installation is complete. Now we can change the default IP address of this PBX before we access it. We put in support and then press Enter. Then at the password prompt, type in login PBX. However, if your PBX version is older than 83.18.0.18, here we need to enter capitalize the Q, HCY, AXS, capitalize the G, CY, WY, MG 2022. When you're done typing, press Enter. Now we're in the Ubuntu system information. Here we put in 1 and press Enter to update the network configuration. We can follow the prompt to put in our new IP address, netmask, and gateway. Then press Enter. When everything's done, open a web browser and put in the new IP address. Now that we have logged into our free trial, this means that the PBX has been deployed successfully. Alright, that was how to install Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on Proxmox VE using Ubuntu ISO. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about the Yeastar P-Series system, please visit yeastar.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel.